This is the Milwaukee Screwdriver drill. It is super small and compact and very light. I do closet installations, so when I have to screw stuff in and then over my head, it's really easy to hold this drill over your head for a long time because it's nice and light and really portable. It also has this really cool pocket clip, so it easily fits to your belt or your jeans, and it works really good, stays secure. Great for if you have to do work in an attic or you have to climb a ladder and do work. It's great to have a belt clip for your drill. The battery that it uses is this M12 battery. Really good. I got this aftermarket charger for it because the drill didn't come with a charger in the kit that I got, and it works really well. I'll leave a link down below for the drill and this charger because it charges it up really good. There's a light over here that lets you know that it's charging, and the battery lasts a pretty long time for how small this battery is. And then to put it in, and it snaps right in like that. And then there's a battery indicator over there. It lets you know how many bars of battery that you have. This drill has lasted me a really long time, as you can see by all the scratches and stuff. I've used it for many years, and it still works perfectly. The way you put the bits in is they snap in. So you take a bit, you have to have a bit like this, and then you take it, just push it in. To remove it, you just pull this up, pull it out, and it's really strong. I'm going to demonstrate me drilling into a piece of scrap wood. So the bit is in. I'm going to take a little screw here, and you could adjust the torque over here. So it drills right in, nice and easy. I just want to show you with a different bit. So here I have my 1/4 inch bit. I'm going to put it in like that. These are sheet metal screws, but goes right into the wood. This drill is very compact, very easy to use. I would definitely recommend this drill to anyone who does any type of construction work. It's a great drill to have for if you have to climb ladders or go into attics. Really like this one. The grip is really nice. The rubber fits really good. It's ergonomic, fits in your hand. You can lock it like that, and it also has a flashlight over here. So click the link down below if you want to get this drill or the charger.